Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update error message 0x8024A003 where the old version of automatic updates client was disabled. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Comes up command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator and select as. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. This verification 1% need to get 100%. So kindly please wait until this done. After finishing this, you just need to copy the second command and paste it in the same way. And after finishing the second command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.